First up in my Hobby Lobby haul, I got these super cute glasses. I'm so excited. So this print pattern, I love this pattern. I actually have these, which I got from Walmart. They're the Pioneer Woman brand, and these are the exact same. Obviously not Pioneer Woman, but look at them. Same pattern, and I love the white ones so much, and I'm so excited. So they have these little, I call them orange juice glasses. So I have these big glasses. That's the size compared to the big ones. I'm really excited. So these were on like super reduced sale, 75% off. So I got the glasses for $2.99. I got the bowls for $2.99. And I got this picture for $8.74. So this is super cute. So I do have the blue picture. I actually have two of them, but it's a little bit different style. So the blue one's bigger, this one's smaller. It doesn't have a base right here. The handle's a little different. It's round, more round right here. And then the spout is smaller. But I thought that was super cute. I had to get it. I also found this super cute chips and salsa serving platter. Got that for $8.75. It was originally $34.99. So I got us all shirts that I'm going to make for our trip that we are about to go on. If you want to see more about that trip, make sure that you subscribe to our family vlog channel, The Jeters. I'll have that linked down below. For our flights on our trip, I got these drawing books for the kids. Disney Princess for Kinsley and a Pixar one for Peyton. I thought they would like to do that. Kinsley loves to draw, so I got these to make the girls' dresses. This type of fabric is makes it really easy to make a dress. All you gotta do is sew at the back, and then I put some little sleeves on it, which I got this white ruffle fabric. I don't know what it's called exactly, but I got this white ruffle fabric to make the sleeves for their dresses. Kinsley's is a really cute striped one, and it's really long, so will be good for Kinsey girl. For the shirts, I got some glitter iron-on for the girls' shirts. I already have white iron-on for the boys. This was another item that was on clearance, $3.49. Says Boss Babe. I'm gonna put that in my office. I got some bandanas. I'm gonna make Emma some really easy dresses with these, well, a dress with this one. I'm gonna make a skirt with this one. So that is a super easy way to make a cute little dress. And I can, if you'd like to see a tutorial on that, let me know down below. These are giant paper clips. I thought they were really cool. They were $1.49. I've already opened this and used it. We used it for Joey's Father's Day card. This, they're gel pens. The gold one. It also came with a silver one. So my last item is this really pretty hanging pot. I love it. This is also on clearance. Where's my sticker? There it is. $4.99. Originally $20. How cool is that? Make sure you go check out your local Hobby Lobby for their 75% off sale. So this is the plant that I'm going to put in here. can't wait to get it in there. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for watching this Hobby Lobby haul. This is actually part 1 of 2 because the next day after filming this, I actually went to a different Hobby Lobby close to my job on my lunch break and shopped their 75% off clearance sale. If you want to see that, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I post videos. Give this video a big thumbs up and let me know if you got something at your Hobby Lobby sale. See you tomorrow. Bye.